Hi everyone, this is Zach, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use my Scratchblocks add-on to put Scratchblocks into Google Docs and Google Slides. I'll just be showing the Docs version in this video, but the Slides version works in exactly the same way. Before we get started, I want to give credit to Tim Radvan, who created the code library that converts text to Scratchblocks that I used for this add-on. He did the heavy lifting. I just ported it over to Google Docs and Slides. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is create a copy of the Docs or Slides template, which are both linked in the video description. Once you've made a copy, you can delete the instructions. Next, look for the Scratchblocks Docs menu. It sometimes takes a few extra seconds to show up after the document loads. If you don't see it, refresh the page and try again. From that menu, click Show Generator. The first time you use the add-on in a document, you'll need to authorize it to run. Click Continue, then select your email address, and give it permission to run. The View and Manage your Google Docs permission is used to insert the block images into your document. No information is read, deleted, or stored outside of your Google Drive. The Display and Run Third-Party Web Content permission is used to display a sidebar for the add-on. Scroll down and click Allow to authorize the add-on. Now you'll see the sidebar. At the top, you can select the version of Scratch you'd like to use and change the language if you want something other than English. The white box is used to type out the blocks you'd like to display. Type 1 block per line. For most blocks, you'll type the exact text that's shown on the block. For example, I can type "when flag clicked" to get my starting block. At the bottom of the sidebar, you'll see a preview of the blocks you've typed. All blocks appear red until they're recognized as valid Scratch blocks. For example, if I make a new line and just type "say," the block stays red. If I add square brackets in text, then the block changes to a normal say block. If you aren't sure how to type a particular block, click What do I type to see a list of all the blocks and their corresponding text. After you've typed and previewed your blocks, you can choose the size they'll be in the document. Larger numbers result in bigger blocks. You may need to play around with this to suit your needs. If you have a lot of large blocks, your document may start to lag. When you're ready, click the Add Blocks to Document button, and your blocks will appear by the cursor. They may have some extra white space around the edges. To get rid of this, double-click the image to crop it. You can drag the boundaries of the image to where you'd like them to be, and hit Enter to save. Now you can move and resize the blocks to suit your needs. One important thing to know about this add-on is that it'll only work in copies of the template. If you want to create another document, you'll need to make a copy of the original or of another copy. If you create a new document in Google Drive, you won't see the Scratchblocks menu. I'm looking into making this an add-on in the Google Store so that you can use it in any document. If this is something you'd be interested in, or you have feedback, feature requests, or questions, let me know. Happy scratching, and thank you for watching.